Welcome to today's Bird Dog Burnout. For today's workout, you need a pair of light weights. However, you can do this body weight and you'll feel it just fine. So let's get started. I want you to be on all fours here. You're going to use your weights, opposite arm, opposite leg, and we're just going to hold for 10 seconds. Make sure to keep that balance. Keep the core tight. And from here, palms up, grab that weight, opposite elbow, opposite knee, crunch it in the center, 10 reps. Really get that crunch in the middle, activate that core. Two more. One, nice. From here, pull that elbow in at your side. We're going to do tricep kickbacks while keeping that leg out. Option to pull the leg in and out with the arm in unison. If that's too much multitasking, that's okay. Just hold the leg out and tricep kick it back. Looks good. And from here, keep the arm and leg straight. We're going to pulse it up. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Squeeze everything. Little movements. Good. And then we're going to extend the arm and leg out and open out wide and then come back to center. As you can see, it's a little tough to balance, but it is a good one, and it does not have to be a big movement here. So reach it out wide and back to center. Almost there. And last one on this side, we're going to tap down and lift up with opposite arm, opposite leg. 8, 7, 6, we're doing great. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Great work. Take a little child's pose to reset yourself before we do that other side. Who knew that bird dogs could be so brutal and we could do so many things? I'm loving it. Oh, stretch out that lower back. And when you're ready, let's come up to do the other side. So remember, let's start with that hold, arms and legs out. Squeeze all the muscles nice and tight. Keep the core tight. Keep holding. Hold, hold, hold. Good. Now palms up, opposite elbow, opposite knee. Drive it into the center. Get a nice big crunch. Three more. One. Good. Pull the elbow in for the tricep kickback. Option to add that glute kickback in there as well. Good. Almost there. Couple more. Get ready for those pulses. Arms and legs straight back. Pulse it up. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Bring the arm and leg forward. Reach wide. Back to center. Wide. Back to center. One, and then tap down and lift up, tap down, lift up. This is your last thing. Two, 1, and rest. You can set those weights down. Thank you for joining me in the Bird Dog Burnout. It was great, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye.